You want your voice to sound as good as it possibly can when you present, because if people enjoy listening to you, they're going to pay attention far more. What you want is your voice to sound rich and resonant and warm. What you don't want it to do is to sound thin and reedy and pinched, and that can often be a result of nerves. So here are some exercises you can use to warm up your voice a little bit. First one, some humming. Humming attuned to yourself just helps to get everything vibrating, helps make everything warm, in particular the sort of resonance chambers around your head. Classic one to hum would be Amazing Grace. Because it has high notes and low notes, so it will start to get different parts of your voice warmed up. Do it in the car on the way to an event. Go and stand outside, stand backstage, stand in the green room. I've been known to lock myself in the toilet, quite frankly, just to go and have a bit of a hum to myself. I'd also start doing a little bit of warm up in terms of muscles here, a little bit of massage. Just get everything moving a bit. A bit of a yawn will help to lift the soft palate in the mouth and just help stretch everything. I think that then the final thing to do is some tongue twisters. Classic one, the lips, the teeth, and the tip of the tongue. Say that a few times, getting faster and also starting to exaggerate the movements. The lips, the teeth, and the tip of the tongue. The lips, the teeth, and the tip of the tongue. The lips, the teeth, and the tip of the tongue. The lips, the teeth, and the tip of the tongue. And it sort of does what it says on the tin. It will get the lips, the teeth, and the tip of the tongue moving. Because the problem is, particularly if we're tired, or maybe it's first thing in the morning or last thing in the day, our mouths tend to get a bit tired and we can get a bit mumbly. So something like that, a bit of a tongue twister, a bit of a stretch will help lift everything, open everything up. I think the other thing to do is to smile. The smile will actually make your voice sound warmer. We can sort of hear the smile. So there are some exercises there that you can use to get your voice warmed up. It's one of those things that makes a difference between people who sound like great presenters and those who are just pretty average presenters. So make sure you're warmed up, make sure your voice is sounding as great as it can be, and then you'll be ready to present.